up, guys? Bush Hog here. Now, I was going to make this video on a Saturday, but I said I believe in this product so much that I got to make it on Thursday so that, hey, I'm making a video over here, man. Can you quit with the barking? Thank you. Hopefully you can go out and get you one tomorrow, and then on Saturday, barbecue time, okay? Now, sadly this has been discontinued, but you can buy one like this. And you're saying yourself, you're asking yourself when you clicked on this, is Bush Hog, I know you're kind of a barbecue snob these days. What's a good smoker for a guy like me? Should I get an offset smoker or some other kind of configuration? What should I do as a beginner? That's why I'm here for you, okay? This is my favorite smoker to use now, by far. Why? Well, number one, I got this for $20 off of my friend. Now, you're not going to find this for $20. Number one, because they're discontinued. Number two, the types of smokers like these they range anywhere from 100 to 200 bucks, but they're worth it. What you can do is, let's say you see one of these sitting in your neighbor's yard, okay? It's out in the open, nobody's looking. You wait until nighttime, right? Nice and dark. You go knock on your neighbor's front door and ask them if you can just borrow it for the weekend. Tell them you'll bring it back Saturday or Sunday afternoon, and then, you know, you'll get to use one. But let me tell you what I love about this thing. Let's grab the camera here. Ease of use. Ease of use. What kind of temperature gauge do I get? You get it says warm, ideal, and hot. That's all you need. You're a dummy, okay? You don't need to fuck with all this stuff. All these numbers and stuff, you can't count. So don't even try. Just know warm, ideal, hot. You're good. Doesn't matter. You say, okay, Bush Hog, what about air control? Do I have to control vents? No, you don't. There is no air control. You take this lid off. You take this grill off. This is a water pan, just to keep grease from dripping down. You have a charcoal pan. All this is open in the bottom. You don't have to worry about no wood splits. Nothing like that. Throw some charcoal in there. Throw a couple of wood chunks in it. And congratulations, you're smoking. And this is also very hard. Even with a full thing of lit charcoal, this thing does not get too hot according to the gauge. I don't even know what the gauge is, but I cooked the pork butt on it. And it took about the right amount of time. So I'm assuming that, you know, it probably heats at between 200 and 300 degrees. Water in the water pan. Put your grate on. Put your meat on. Put the fucking lid on. And you're done. You don't touch it unless it starts to cool off. In which then, you get yourself a little baby shovel. Open up the door here. Throw a couple more coals on it. That's it. Like I said, I've used an offset, and maybe you can get some like hipster flavors out of it or whatever the fuck. If you're making a lot of meat, sure, you know, if you're trying to do ribs and chicken and a pork butt, most people aren't doing that. If you're doing one pork butt, you know, you could do a pork butt, slab of ribs, a couple slabs of ribs, a whole mess of chicken, you know what I mean? For stuff like that, this is what you want. And I like I said, that Weber sells one for like $350 or $250. I don't know if the Smoky Mountain is worth all that, but definitely if you find one used or something, pick it up. You won't regret it. Hey guys, a little bit of postscript here. One thing that I meant to mention but forgot to, that is a big point for this grill. These things are extremely light. They weigh 10 pounds at the most. It's not nothing about thick steel or nothing like that. And they're only a couple of feet tall, maybe 3 foot tall. So another great thing I like about this smoker is it's very portable. You can pick this thing up like it's nothing, throw it in the back of your truck, take it to the park, take it to a buddy's house or to a party to, smoke some meat. No problem. This isn't like having some big ginormous offset smoker that weighs. I mean, I have a cheap offset smoker and that thing is still, probably 50 pounds and, hard to lug and throw up in a truck and take out of a truck. Really, for a beginner, you're going to be 100% satisfied with the type of cooks you can get out of this little guy. It don't look like much, but trust me, when it comes to barbecue, a lot of the time, simpler is better. You're talking about a style of cooking that started with people digging a hole, throwing charcoal into the hole, throwing a hog on top of it, covering it up, and coming back in 8 hours. That's what barbecue started as. It started simple. Keep it that way. But, oh shit. Well, sorry about that clink, but hey, cheers. Thanks for watching.